What's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So today I'm gonna bring you two hype projects, you guys. So before we get started, this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research. All right, so let's just take a look at the market. So sets on crack. I called this at 20 SOL floor price. I told you guys it was gonna 2x for sure. I still think it's gonna 2x, maybe not now, but maybe in the next month or two. You never know. Super bullish still on sets on crack. And I did end up buying my second degen dojo just because of the community, you guys. They really haven't announced anything, but the community, I feel like it's super strong in this project. I actually bought in at 12 floor price. Pretty risky, you guys. Like always, do your own research. Not financial advice. And Tombstone, I still have one as well. Still bullish on those. I think they're still going to hit 20 maybe this week, maybe not. And yeah, now let's go ahead and take you to the upcoming projects. First one, I'm pretty sure most of you that are familiar with Solana NFTs have already heard of OK Bear. Super bullish. Website's not even out yet. They still have like it says here on the website, more coming soon. On their Twitter, they have 38.8k followers, and their Discord is closed. They should be opening it up soon. They don't have much in their Discord, but the chat, you guys, it's popping. It's going off. Super active. I'll try to wait for a Discord. Fuck. If I were you guys, I'll turn on those notifications and see if they sent out a link to join their Discord, and I'll grind that whitelist. I'm already in the Discord, not in my current Discord account that I have for Professor NFT, but in my second account I do have. And trust me, like I said before, the chat goes crazy. The community is nuts, you guys. As you see here on the tweet, brand is built through community. Super bullish on this, you guys. Even check that art out. Crazy. So like I'm saying, super bullish on this project. Go ahead, you guys. Check this out. I'm going to try to get my Discord a link to join their Discord and some whitelist spots. So I'll be updating you guys in my Discord. Go ahead and join if you're not in yet. It'll be in the description below, the link to join my Discord. All right, you guys. So second project is Smokeheads NFT. Super early. They don't have mint details yet, but this project went off like the first day. It's already at 9k followers. I think this Twitter was made like not even like 2 days ago. It's crazy. The art, it's similar to Bohemia art. Super crazy. So before I go more in depth into this project, there was some FUD going on. Let me go ahead and check on the Discord for you guys, see what the FUD was. So what it was, it's so Solstice is well known in the Solana community. So last night, Smokeheads NFT filmed half the Solana eco into their Discord whitelist for dozens of DAOs. This morning, they removed everyone's whitelist and raised supply by 6x. So they did address this pretty much. I don't want to read you guys all of this. So pretty much what happened is that they put a bunch of like this, put a bunch of different DAOs, and people were just faking that they were in DAOs, and those people were getting whitelist spots. So there were so many people faking it. So they pretty much are like, you know what, we're just going to nuke this and start again, start fresh. So do your own research in the project, you guys. Go ahead, check it out. Here's their phase one of the roadmap. Like I said, it's still early. I'll try to grind whitelist. No lie about this project. I feel bullish on this as well as the chat. The chat goes crazy in this Discord as well. Go ahead. I'll try to get some whitelist spots as well for my Discord. So you guys go ahead, check this project out. Art Seems crazy. Just look at that. I like it. But they'll be releasing more details in the future. And that's all for me today, you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, Professor NFT out. Wagme.